Hello friends! Today we are going to learn the shapes and colors. So we are going to start with a hexagon. Okay, this is a hexagon, and this one is a heart. Alright, this is an arrow. And this is a sun. This is a flower. And the last one is a triangle. Alright, now we are ready to color them. Alright, for the hexagon, I'm taking green color. And this is a green hexagon. For the heart, of course I'm taking red color. And this is a red heart. For the arrow, I am taking purple color. And this is a purple arrow. For the sun, I am taking yellow. This is a yellow sun. For the flower, I am taking orange. And we have an orange flower. And for the triangle, I am taking pink. This is a pink triangle. Thanks for watching.